Oh, look, the truck looks good. Hi, Molly.
I haven't seen you so long.
It's kind of dirty.
Did you see the truck? Are you nervous?
Should we go look?
Is it one over? I'm gonna make copies of this real quick. I'll be right back.
Did you find the right one?
Yeah. This one's counterfeit. You know, if you get caught, this would be a federal crime.
What?
Making these insurance cards. Do you sell these on the internet? Don't unpack over here yet.
Just keep them together.
We're gonna go down the driveway and go under the bridge and pass the service road.
Don't get emotional, that ain't like you.
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Where do I start?
Over there somewhere.
Oh, it's the push button. Can't reach the pedals. Oh my gosh, this is so nice.
Look at the rear view.
What? Oh.
It's a camera.
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. This thing is beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Yes, yes. Take me, shake me, and tell me this ain't a dream. Everybody says, watch out, boy. She'll break your heart like it was a toy. You better save it for a rainy day. You better save it for a rainy day.
Dark walnut, dark ash interior.
Hey, you know what? You know this? You know this? This was
But what I do want you to do is I want you to get inside and do your on-start push.
Oh, how's the vehicle so far, ma'am? You like it?
just got in it. Where's my purse? Yes.
All right. I'm adding the free trial now. And what OnStar service do you know about?
This.
You could have on my camera.
Come back here and look. I want to see the tailgate. Luke, come back here.
I do want to see the tailgate.
Your sunroof.
Your shoes are too big, too.
Mom, stop for a second. We'll go over all that. Here's what we got. Auto stop start. That's a gas saving feature. Heated seats, heated cool seats. Navigation. Let's go to music. Infotainment. Air. Now we're going here. Watch this. Right, let's go here together. Let's go to collision systems. Collision and detections. You need to have all these ramped up on full alert. On. You got everything
The
on.
ballad of what could have been. Over and out. Really, it's been a thrill.